Hey everybody, my name is Kurt Stubbs and I live here in Pickerington, Ohio, which is about 12 miles east of Columbus, Ohio. I currently teach in the Pickerington Local School District, which is a fairly large district. We have two Division I high schools here, and I teach at Ridgeview STEM Junior High, which leads into Pickerington Central High School. In our building, we have about 950 students covering grades 7 and 8, which also means that the school on the other side of town, which feeds into Pickerington North High School, they have about 850. So quite a few kids in our district. I teach 7th grade math, and I also teach advanced 7th grade math. This is my 7th year at Ridgeview STEM Junior High, and I am currently about 75% done with my master's in instructional technology, which leads me into what am I hoping to get out of this class? Well, I don't think there's any better time than right now as an educator to understand 21st century learning skills, specifically with the distance learning and the digital online learning that's going on around the country right now. I hope and pray that everybody is doing okay that's in this class. But, just hoping to learn a little bit from each and every one of you. This wasn't a big transition for my class. We have already been doing a lot of online learning, whether it was Edpuzzle, Khan Academy, Edge Elastic. We also do iReady. Not only as a enrichment and an intervention, but I'm also been using as a substitute for instruction or introducing a topic. I'm also a Google One certified educator, so I am pretty familiar with the ins and outs of Google. But overall, like I said, I'm just hoping to learn a little bit from each and every one of you, because that's the biggest takeaway I've had through all of my courses from Fort Hays, is that I learned so much from the other people that are involved in the class. So I look forward to getting to know all of you a little bit better, and let's get this started.